guys, welcome back to the home in Homestead. Today we'll be going over a little more detail of meal planning ideas. Previously I had shown in a shorter portion of my organizing cookbooks video these dry erase meal planning boards. It comes with 3 markers and they're magnetic and they have a little eraser on top, and there's an eraser here as well, and then there's also a little list you can create for a shopping list, and there's a newer version that has the monthly view as well, and I can link that below. So when I got home from work today, I whipped up a batch of sloppy joes. I make my own sloppy joe mix. I can link the recipe below, and I stored it in a canning jar. I browned it on the cooktop and brought it to a simmer, and then I transferred it to the Instant Pot and have it on slow cook. And we have some buns from earlier in the week that we need to use up, so I thought this would be a good recipe for middle of the week. Okay, so back to the meal planning items here. So this is actually the inside of a kitchen cabinet door, and I have magnetic tape here and here, so that I was able to place the boards on that, and there was room between for the eraser and the markers. You know, these can certainly go on your refrigerator or someplace more out in the open if that's what the look that you prefer, but I wanted it tucked away in the cupboard so you couldn't really see that. So hopefully these are some helpful ideas and things you can look into further if you've been tossing around the idea of getting more into meal planning and you didn't really want to do the paper version, which you have to constantly cross off and throw away each week. These are reusable. Constantly you can change them and adjust and erase and all the things that happen when life happens. So thank you for spending time with me today, and if you're new around here, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.